interrogates concepts such as the idea of development itself, various theories and practices of human rights, and then it translates this general critical approach to look at very specific areas of law.
The Advanced Legal Studies programme is a build-your-own master's degree. So the great advantage of it is that you can pick any options that you like from within our complete diet of master's level modules.
It covers all aspects of corporate regulation, from soft mechanisms through company law and traditional ways of looking at corporate regulation. And it also deals with the very difficult area of financial regulation, both nationally and internationally.
We live in a global economy, and when we're thinking about structuring international transactions, we must take account of international institutions and international laws as to how they may be governed.
I was particularly attracted to writing about injustice, to be able to have the gender cluster as well, where I could study about women's human rights as well as globalization, global law and politics.
I could choose my human rights modules and then also choose modules that were from the political science faculty.
The course I'm doing, International Corporate Governance and Financial Regulation, is unique to Warwick. It puts Warwick Law School at the forefront of education, of higher education in corporate governance.
Staff at Warwick are really enthusiastic about the sort of research they do in their own work, and they're very keen to share that with postgraduate students.
We provide a research and writing training program to assist them in terms of what the expectations are at this level of study, how to go about doing research, what are the best ways of good practice in terms of writing an academic style piece of work.
We have some courses taught by 3-hour seminars, some courses taught by a lecture followed by small group seminars, and some courses where they're very small numbers on a read to prepare and a 1-to-1 or 1-to-2 session of 1 or 2 hours.
We also have a system whereby students can obtain extensive feedback on their essays and exams, so they can discuss that feedback with their module leader and also with their personal tutor.
I will be organising training sessions, and for LLM students, pre-dissertation sessions later on as well. And in addition to that, then I answer people's inquiries, and I'll be providing online guidance so that even if I'm not there, you might still get help online.
We actively encourage students at Warwick to become involved in the work of the centre in a variety of different ways. I currently have 3 of our postgraduate students working as interns on a project mapping out the human rights impacts of government austerity measures in the UK and throughout Europe.
There are a lot of people who come down to campus, a lot of world-renowned speakers. About 2 weeks ago, I had a conversation with Upendra Baxi, who was talking about the reinventing of human rights. And just for me to be on that stage where I could have a platform with him and talk to him really boosted my confidence as a person.
Class size is quite nice. It's small, it's intimate, so you get to know your classmates quite well. My personal tutor, for example, if he's not able to meet with me, offers me alternatives of phone calls, Skype, emails quite regularly.
The lecturers ask you to do, in-depth study of the areas you're studying, but they always relate the issues at hand within their economic and social context.
Our students are very sought after, we're very lucky, so we arrange fairs and employer presentations for students to come and talk to the employers and access them and find out about the different career options that are open to them, as well as lots of other events that we organise ourselves, such as workshops and one-to-one support to guide students through the process of career planning and making effective applications.
There are several workshops on offer as well, which I find really great because they help you improve on certain skills like time management or research skills, and so you get to take away these certain employability skills that are going to come in really handy when you come to apply for jobs.
No other university has an arts centre of this scale and magnitude, right at the heart of a campus, which means that there's an artistic, musical, theatrical, comedy, film life going on right at the heart of what we do.
Sport plays a really important part to Warwick students' lives here. There are 73 sports clubs, there's lots of intramural leagues, hall sports, taster sessions, and there's also a great gym here and classes for people to stay fit and healthy.
I think students are very fortunate to come to Warwick. The accommodation is very good, they develop very good networks and friendships that last over a long time. They get the best of both worlds.
It's so mixed, the cultural background from everywhere in the world I've met here. Then also the environment, the structures of the uni I found was definitely what I thought a uni should be like. It's modern, it's new, the equipment are all good.
If you want to think, if you want to explore ideas, if you want to challenge and be challenged by issues that are fundamental to the way in which the world operates in the contemporary context, then do come. We will embrace you with open arms.
Just be here, you need to be here, come to Warwick.